This is Sean McCracken, your OC Realtor. I'm here in North Laguna on High Street above the Tree Streets, which many of you know is one of the most coveted areas of Laguna Beach. And I'm at a short sale, 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,000 square feet, goes for $1,400,000. Just came a short sale. And I'm starting in the house today. It's a little bit different, and you'll see why I'm doing that in a second here. But first, let me start off with some of the views here. And I misplaced my flip, and so I'm using the iPhone, so it doesn't quite give you quite the views. But as you can see down the coast, you got some nice whitewater views. And again, this is the reason I started up in the house, the reverse floor plan. And that's High Street down there. Again, those were all the tree streets. And it shares a driveway between these 6 houses here, as you can see. And this one's doing a little remodeling here, as you can see. And looking back in the house, this is the living room. No furniture, has a fireplace, vaulted ceilings, the big room. Some plantation shutters over there, and then as you can see, it has wall-to-wall windows and doors here. But this is where you come up to the main living area. All the bedrooms are downstairs. Here is the dining area, which also has some nice views, and it looks into this backyard. Nice big 5,000 square foot yard. And here's the kitchen, which is pretty nice. You know, it's again, looking out into the patio and so forth. So the place does require some work. That's in the back there is it's a bathroom, half bath. It does have nice property. And it has a walkway that goes up to that patio up there. So that's pretty cool. And let's look back on the house. There's a little patio over there, which has a nice view. That's off the kitchen as well. So that's the upstairs, and let's go quickly downstairs. It has bamboo floors. Again, nice high ceilings. Skylight. All the appliances look relatively new. And it does have a fairly significant stairway that gets up to this floor here, which is this is the entrance. It has the master here, which has some nice views. The key on a lot of this is the location, closet space, bathroom. It has a walk-in closet here, and it shares it with this bedroom. And we're back to the original hallway, that's front door. And we have another full bath here. And then we have another bedroom. This is and this is going for about, I think it's $600 a square foot, which is pretty good. And then here's the front. And this is the walkway that I was mentioning earlier. Okay, so a little bit different play. At that price, it's not going to go, it's going to be not going to sit around the market for a month or so if people are going to buy this one, because it has come down. You can contact me, 949-290-5317, or Sean at welcometothe dream.com, or just go to my website, welcometothe dream.com. Hope you enjoyed that. Thank you.